What if you could turn pure imagination into a picture in seconds? No camera, no drawing skills, no fancy software. Just type what you dream and boom, it's real. Welcome to Playground AI, one of the most powerful and mind blowing AI image generators on the internet. Whether it's a dragon flying over New York or a cozy cabin on Mars, you simply describe it and Playground brings it to life with stunning visuals. It feels like you're not just writing a prompt, you're summoning artwork from thin air. Artists, designers, dreamers, or even total beginners. This tool is for everyone. The emotions you feel seeing your thoughts transform into something beautiful. It's pure magic. And it all happens in your browser for free. No downloads, no hassle. If you've ever wanted to see your imagination come to life, this is your chance. Stick around because once you try Playground AI, there's no going back. Your creativity will never be the same again.